demonstration, I'm going to show you how to timestamp when a question is made viewable to a participant. And the reason I'm showing you this is because it's quite useful when you need to know when a person starts and stops certain segments of a Qualtrics designed survey, experiment, whatever. Now this is useful for me, just as an example, because I need to match the time at which participants start and stop certain sections of my Qualtrics survey and match it to the recording or heart rate variability recordings. And I don't want to have to do that manually if there's a way that I can do it, or the computer can do it for me, save me a lot of stress and time. Now, while Qualtrics has a great range of little add-on things that you can do, and it does have this one, timing, which lets you, if you add it on to a certain question, blast, I changed that. Oh no, now it's changed. So if you add that timing thing on to a, excuse me, let's just leave it there. So if you add that timing thing on, it tells you how many clicks a person makes on a particular question, when their first click was, when they first, or how long they spent on that question. I don't need that. I just want to know when a person first got to a page. So to do that, you need to do two steps. First, you add JavaScript. So you delete what's already there, and then you add a code. So I will give this to you in the notes, but that's what it looks like. Now you can't just copy and paste whatever I've given you. You need to actually change this to suit your particular survey. So there's that section and this section. That's your QID, stands for your question ID. And I initially thought that you just like left the QID thing there and then you typed in what your variable name was, but actually you just delete all of it. If that was still like, if instead of age I had the standard thing and it was like Q1, you actually type in QID1. Don't ask me why, but anyway. So it's called age. I have no idea if you have like a space there, if that makes any difference. Just trying to minimize issues, so it's fine. Save that, then you've got this thing that pops up, and just for ease of use, I'm just going to copy that and paste it. Delete that, paste it into this one. So now I'm doing the same thing again for the second question. And again, I just want to delete the old variable name and put the new variable name so I'm getting the actual information I want. Now that's not the only thing you need to do. You also need to go to survey flow and you need to click add below, and we need to add two embedded data elements. And the first one, oh goodness, you really need to remember what your variable names are. And you need to, sorry, I'm just getting the code from another window. Okay, so you need to, this is what your variable name is going to be, and it'll appear at the very end of your SPSS or Excel or whatever it is, spreadsheet. So timestamp of onload to the page age, and then duplicate that, and then we're going to do gender. Now, just realize it's going to be exactly the same for these, unless I put a page break in them, or I put this into a new block. Now to do that, I go add page break, righto. So now I'll know that, now I can show you very easily that these will turn up on, there'll be a difference in the time that we see these two appear. Righto, so that's done. We're going to go publish, and then we're going to go preview. Okay, so now it's the first one. I'm between this age, and let's just say I'm female. All right, so exit that. Now I'm going to show you the come on, just refresh. I'm just going to download it. Download. Okay. Okay, now I'm just going to delete this one because that is my old version. That didn't work. Okay, so, okay, here are our two questions. Here's our age question, here's our gender question, and, oh, please ignore. Oh, no, there we go. So all of this data, just forget about all of that for now. I just want you to focus on these ones. So, yeah, we've got the two answers from me, and then we have timestamp of the first time I saw that question age. So you can see it's like 2218, and then the timestamp of when I first saw the gender question. Cool, so now you know. Applying this to a bigger survey is going to take a lot more time, but now you know the basics. So I hope that helps.